What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy to be back. Was out of town working for a month and a half, so we're back at it today. Getting the car, the CTSV moved over. We're going to load that up tomorrow in the trailer and take it over to Rogan's. He's got a hoist, so we can get that transmission put up in there. So that's what we're doing in the garage today. I mean, as you can tell, she's a little bit of a disaster, but we're getting her cleaned up. This car is going to Rogan's, transmission going in. So we're going to move this car over to this spot, and then the truck over there, we can slide the car back onto the road, put it in the trailer. But I got the truck outside. It's looking good in the sun. Still a long way to go, but that's fine. TRD with treadstone. Intercooler came in. Waited about 5 weeks for it. Got it from Boost Factory here in Calgary. They brought it into the States for me, so that's nice. That's in. I took some pictures of it actually in the front of the truck. I forgot to take video, but I'll show you those pictures. And technically it's gonna go, I've been cutting up these brackets, it's gonna fit right in here in the front. Charge pipe will come down this way, walk up that way. And then the top pipe, top exit, 50 mil blow off valve, probably on upside down underneath, right into the throttle body. So when I get back to my next job, hopefully that'll be the next video, is me buttoning up that cold side and getting that all done. So yeah, looking forward to that. Now it's onto this fucking debauchery. Anyways.